your engine is already being destroyed. Right now. With every single mile you drive on the wrong synthetic oil. I have spent 30 years tearing apart engines and reading the damage left behind by bad oil decisions, and I promise you this, some of those engines died because of a bottle that looked perfectly safe on the shelf. Today I am exposing 7 synthetic oils you need to stop using before it is too late, and the repair bills attached to each one will shock you. We are talking anywhere from $800 to a complete engine replacement, and the number one mistake on this list is so devastatingly common that it might already be happening inside your engine right now. Number 7 is the synthetic blend. Disguised as full synthetic protection, that bottle sitting $4 cheaper on the shelf, with the word synthetic screaming at you in bold letters, is one of the sneakiest traps in the entire auto industry. Synthetic blends contain as little as 20% real synthetic chemistry. The rest is plain conventional oil wearing a fancy label. Consumer Reports testing confirms that post-2015 turbocharged engines running blends like these show dangerously higher wear metal counts after just 5,000 miles. Your turbocharger spins at over 100,000 RPM, and it deserves a real oil film, not a cheap imposter. When that turbocharger fails, you are writing a check for $1,500 to $3,000, and your warranty gets denied on the spot. The label looks right, but your engine always finds out the truth. Number 6 is the warehouse store house brand synthetic. And if that half-price case ever looked like a smart deal to you, what I am about to say is going to sting. These oils are contract blended using the cheapest base stocks that barely clear the minimum API certification threshold. Nothing more, nothing less. Post-2017 Honda CR-V, Toyota RAV4, and Hyundai Tucson owner forums are drowning in stories of rough idle, oil consumption, and early timing chain noise after just 2 oil change cycles on discount store oil. Cam lobe damage runs $2,000 to $4,500, and by the time your ears catch that quiet tick from the valve train, your wallet is already in serious trouble. Cheap oil is never actually cheap. Your engine just pays the difference later. Number 5 is any synthetic oil carrying outdated API certifications like SN or SM. And this one is genuinely dangerous, because the bottle looks completely legitimate, right up until your engine pays the price. Modern turbocharged, direct injection engines built after 2015 are catastrophically vulnerable to low-speed pre-ignition. A failure so violent it bends connecting rods and destroys cylinder heads in a single combustion event. NHTSA records show LSPI repair bills regularly exceeding $6,000, with many resulting in full engine replacement. Your oil bottle must clearly show API SP or SN+. Anything less is a ticking time bomb sitting inside your engine right now. Flip that bottle over, check the donut, and if it does not say SP or SN+, put it down and walk away. Number 4 is clearance shelf oil. And the nightmare hiding inside that discounted bottle is completely invisible to you from the outside. Oil sitting in storage beyond 1 year undergoes real chemical breakdown. Additives stratify, detergents weaken, and critical anti-wear compounds like ZDDP lose the ability to protect your cam lobes and lifters. Jeep Wrangler and Ford Mustang owner complaints from 2016 through 2019 directly trace clearance oil purchases to sludge buildup, costing $400 to $1,200 to remediate. Always flip the bottle and find the batch code. If that oil is older than 12 months, put it back on the shelf and protect your engine with something fresh. Number 3 is pouring high-mileage synthetic into a healthy engine that simply does not need it. High-mileage formulas carry seal conditioners engineered for old, dried-out rubber, and when those conditioners hit healthy seals inside a post-2018 BMW 3 Series, Audi A4, or Volkswagen Golf, those seals overswell, harden, and fail ahead of schedule. Rear main seal replacement alone runs $600 to $900 in pure labor, and if you miss the slow oil consumption that follows, the engine damage waiting at the end of that road will cost you far more. Kindness toward your engine is knowing what it actually needs, not what the label claims it should have. Number 2 is running the wrong viscosity, because someone confidently told you that thicker always means better protection. If your engine calls for 0W20 and you are pouring in 5W30 or 10W40, you are starving your valve train and timing system of oil every single cold start. NHTSA investigations into premature timing chain failures in 2011 through 2018 Ford Explorers and 2012 through 2016 Honda CR-Vs point directly at improper viscosity as a root cause. Timing chain replacement costs $800 to $2,500. And if that chain skips a tooth first, your engine is gone. Your oil cap has a number printed on it for a reason. That number is an engineering command, not a casual suggestion. Number 1 will genuinely surprise you because it involves premium full synthetic oil. The expensive kind you trusted completely. You paid $15 per quart, you believed the extended drain claims, and you stretched that oil change to 15 or 18,000 miles, feeling responsible and smart. But mainstream full synthetic additive packages exhaust themselves between 7 and 10,000 miles under real driving conditions. And anyone towing, idling in traffic, or driving in extreme heat hits that wall even sooner. Consumer Reports data shows these oils past 10,000 miles carry elevated oxidation byproducts, collapsed base number, and thickening viscosity, all signs the oil has stopped protecting and started damaging. Sludge removal costs $400 to $1,200. And if your bearings are already oil-starved, a rebuild starts at $3,000 and climbs fast. Your oil life monitor exists for one reason: trust it completely or pay the consequences. You now know what most drivers never learn until they are already facing a catastrophic repair bill, and that knowledge alone is worth more than a dozen oil changes. This channel is built on 30 years of real workshop truth that manufacturers and oil companies would rather keep from you. Subscribe right now, share this with anyone who owns a car, and watch the next video, because the early warning signs your engine is already sending you are being ignored every single day you wait.